You can make any coffee drink at home just as good or even better than your favorite coffee shops, and for a lot less money. I'll prove it to you. Hi, I'm Liz, former barista and cafe manager, and today you'll learn how to make a Starbucks Caramel Macchiato, both the hot version and the iced version. And I'll even throw how to make the vanilla syrup and the caramel sauce from scratch, so you can enjoy better coffee at home. Remember that you can click on the chapters to jump to the part you're interested in. Let's go! This is what you'll need: your favorite milk, I'll use 2% lactose-free for mine, white sugar, butter, half and half, a vanilla bean or vanilla extract, salt, water, and of course, coffee. Today, I'll be pulling my shots with the Ultima Cosa espresso machine, which is an excellent and affordable solution for a home coffee bar. I'll link my full review in the description if you're interested. However, a good alternative if you don't have a machine is using a moka pot. And if you want to get that Starbucks flavor profile, I recommend a medium to dark roast, as it usually yields more chocolatey, nutty notes. But as long as they're fresh, use your favorite beans for the best experience. Alright, let's get to work. The caramel macchiato uses two different sweeteners: vanilla syrup and caramel sauce. Starting with the vanilla syrup, you'll need a whole vanilla bean or vanilla extract. I prefer the extract because it makes things quicker. Add half a cup of sugar, half a cup of hot boiling water, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract to a mason jar. Shake it to dissolve the sugar and let it rest while we prepare the caramel sauce. Fun fact: did you know this is the most popular Starbucks drink? The Caramel Macchiato was launched by Starbucks in 1996 and has been the favorite for over 2 decades. For the caramel sauce, let's start mixing 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water, making it as even as possible. Set the stove to medium heat and allow it to caramelize. Resist the urge to stir and keep it to slowly swirling only. After 8 to 10 minutes, it'll have reached this color. When it does, remove it from the heat and mix up 6 tablespoons of butter until completely dissolved. Once it's fully integrated, add half a cup of half and half and a pinch of salt. The result will look liquid, but when it cools, it'll gain a denser consistency like this. This will give you sauce for at least 10 drinks, and you can store it in the fridge for up to 14 days. Alright, now that you have your syrup and your sauce, this is how you make the hot version of the Starbucks Caramel Macchiato. Grab your favorite cup or mug and add 1 tablespoon of the homemade vanilla syrup we previously made to the base. If you skipped, it's on the previous chapter. Then let's froth 1 cup of milk. Just your favorite one, it can be any milk. Regular, 2%, lactose-free, oat, almond, soy, you name it. If you don't have an espresso machine, you can always use a handheld frother or even a French press to create this texture. Just make sure to heat up the milk before you start. I'll show you how to do it in this video. Now, extract your espresso shots and slowly add them to see how those beautiful layers form. Fun fact: did you know this is technically not a macchiato? The word macchiato means stained or spotted in Italian. So the macchiato is essentially espresso stained with a small amount of milk, usually foamed. Let's finish it up by adding a drizzle of the homemade caramel sauce on top of the foam, and you'll have a beautifully crafted Starbucks Caramel Macchiato at home. Now this is how we make an iced caramel macchiato. And if you're getting value from this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe so I can keep helping people elevate their coffee experience. This is a refreshing choice for hot summer days or anytime you're craving a sweet and creamy treat. And making it at home won't cost you $5 per cup. As you've already made your vanilla syrup and your caramel sauce from my earlier instructions, this is how you'll go about putting the drink together. On your favorite glass, pour about a tablespoon of vanilla syrup to your cup. Then add 3/4 cup of cold milk. You can use whichever milk you like, but the original recipe calls for 2% for a lighter result. Now add ice to taste, making sure to leave some room for the coffee. For this drink, I recommend espresso, but if you don't have an espresso machine, the closest alternative is moka pot coffee. Extract your espresso shots and pour slowly and carefully to maintain these layers. It looks so beautiful. The intended way of drinking the caramel macchiato is without stirring. You should be able to get kind of custom sips as you drink, or even drink the espresso first and then get a little reward at the end. But hey, don't listen to me, I'm not the coffee police. Drizzle the homemade caramel sauce on top and enjoy your iced caramel macchiato while watching any of my other coffee recipe videos, as I'm sure you'd love to try them out as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.